Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to drill the holes in the rail. So we've already done the housing joints, we've already rounded the corners. We need some holes here so that we can screw together. So have the housing joints facing up, get your ruler, measure the width of your timber and then find the halfway point and put a mark in there. Let's do the same on the other side. So we've got a mark. And what we're simply going to do is with the 4.5mm drill bit, place it centered in your housing joint on your mark and drill through. Make sure you're sitting on a bench hook. Alright, then you grab a countersinking bit, tip your timber over, and we're going to countersink these holes. So take it easy here, don't push down too hard. The countersinks are pretty sharp and they'll cut really quickly. And you can check how well you've countersunk by getting a screw and placing it. It should just fall through the hole and it should sit down flush. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll start another video shortly.